Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we have everyone's favorite new device, the Odin 2 handheld Android, and the version we have today is everyone's favorite version, transparent blue. And version comes with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal space. We will open the Odin 2 device box and see the internal contents that come with the device inside the box. We start by opening the box to see the instruction booklet and device details. We take the device out of the box and take a look at it. It looks very beautiful with the blue color. We remove the rest of the device's contents from the box. The device comes with a 100-watt charger with a USB Type-C output with a charger cable inside the device box. Let's take a closer look at this amazing device, Odin 2. Now we will take a look between the two devices, the old version Odin 1 and the new version Odin 2. And see the external differences in the design and external manufacturing quality of the device. In terms of the front side of the two devices, there does not seem to be much difference. The difference between the two devices is that Odin 2 is larger in size and the buttons are slightly different in size. The direction of the device is curved to give it a streamlined appearance that is easy to use and comfortable for the hand. The size of the device seems large due to the large size of the battery inside the device and the large cooling fan, with some slight additions and changes. Except that the two devices have almost the same design, size, and ventilation opening. In terms of the front end of the device, there is no major change in the design, and the same location of the buttons is used in the same shape between Odin 1 and Odin 2. With the same black bar in both versions. In addition, the position of the stick and face buttons remains the same. Start and selection are now located in the bottom section of the console. The speaker grills are now visible on the front. The dark color scheme of some buttons has been eliminated if we look at the bottom of the Odin 2 and Odin 1 devices. The difference is that the Odin 2 is slightly wider in terms of device density than the old version. While having the same connection outputs, we bring the side edges of both devices to explain the difference. It is clear that in the next version of Odin 1, the density of the handle on the device is somewhat small, with the presence of a long circular strip for RGB light, or in the new version of Odin 2. It shows that there is a greater density or the size of the handle, and it is a little wider, and I think that this is due to the presence of a large battery and a large cooling fan. And this will also be reflected in the weight of the device. The long circular RGB light strip has also been replaced by a long wide RGB strip.